Okay guys, I'm also sharing with you my lemongrass here in zone 7 in Georgia. I planted this about probably 1.5 months ago. So let's take a look. So lemongrass is very easy to grow. It doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in a warm climate or in a cold climate. But you have to take care of it differently depending on where you are. In a tropical climate, they survive with no problem outside. But in zone 7, like here, it's cold in winter. You either cover them or you have to bring them inside. Of course you can if you plant it in the ground like this one. So the option is to pull them out and then save them, and then when the climate is getting warm, then you can put them back in the ground. And it's really easy to do. You just take them out of the ground, put them in water, then they will grow some roots, and then you just put them back in the ground. If you put them in a pot, that's even easier, because when it's cold you just bring them inside. I have another video that I did when I was in Florida, so if you're interested you can take a look. Otherwise, not much to it, because lemongrass is a grass, very easy to grow. People are not familiar with the use of it. You can use it in cooking, usually Asian cooking, Thai, Cambodian, Lao, Vietnamese. Some Westerners start to use lemongrass in some of their dishes as well. Another option that you can use lemongrass for is for tea. So basically you either use the leaves or the stems, the stalks. You pound them a little bit and then you just put in boiled water, and the aroma is excellent. So that's all. Just want to share with you my lemongrass. It's doing really well because the weather is getting warmer over here. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye bye.